So we're on Dartmouth Road this morning, lunchtime, and just passed by the beautiful park. These beautiful Victorian red brick houses. And we're approaching the Luas overbridge. What's the rail overbridge? Well, this is testament to William Dorgan's engineering to build this incredible embankment from the Gran canal down to Ranelagh and down to the old Ranelagh station. It's a wonderful piece of engineering. Big developments going on around here. But you can see the original embankment there, the stonework, and the overbridge of the Luas. These big boulders that carry the railway line once over, steam, the Drumm trains and the railcars and the last train. It's fine brickwork. So let's just head down to the laneway here. It'll take us down to Northbrook Road. Here we go. Down here there's a lovely stretch in the embankment wall that it's quite spectacular. There's no plaque on the wall to commemorate it, you know, and referencing the Harcourt Street line and William Dorgan. We have the William Dorgan Bridge in Drumm where I was out last week, but it would have been nice if you had a reference to it, the embankment. Here are Luas in the background there. Be careful here. Here we are. These are the new type of townhouses here. The equivalent of Victorian townhouses. So there it is. It's the second overbridge. So it was taken down, the original one, during 1950. Abandoned until 2003 when a massive undertaking took place with the Dark construction works. But the most destructive part, as I said before on Facebook, as well as my videos, was the destruction between Harcourt Road and Gran Canal Parade, where not only the rails were removed, but that whole, not just the bridges but the embankment that connected up the three-plate girder bridge. See what I mean by this fine brickwork just curving around towards Ranelagh. It's quite spectacular. Let's walk up to the end. Hear the Luas going up and down now. And the thing about these Luas, it proves that you can undo the damage of the past. There's possibility of the Luas down in Cork in the next decade or so, but it can be done. Okay, the last year of the line, the trains were empty really. We had a few extra passengers in the morning, but in between the morning and the rush hour in the evening it's very quiet. So you can see this fine embankment just going down, curving towards Ranelagh, and a small little park beside it. And the Luas going over. So I'll head down to Ranelagh, it's just around the corner, and eventually get down to the original Ranelagh station. Do 3 videos now. This kind of wraps up the whole line for me in the last week or so, covering every station, and in between the stations with this as well. So thank you for watching, and please subscribe if not already subscribed.